just wanted to do a quick video to show how to do some different sorts in Excel if you are on a Mac. So normally when you go in to sort things, you can click your sort button on your data tab, and you can click this. If you were on a Windows machine, you would be able to add in a custom list here. The problem is we don't have that. You can click the options button or any of that. None of that's there. So what you have to do to make a custom list, so say that you wanted to sort by a t-shirt size, you would have to go in. So I'm going to click under here. So if you sorted this A to Z right now, it would just sort it from large, medium, small, extra large, which is fine, but that's not really the order that you would want these in. That's not the logical order that we would want these in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click under here, and I'm going to go in, and I'm going to bump the top of my screen, and I'm going to get my Excel button, and I'm going to click Preferences. Okay. Here on Preferences, you get this Formulas and List, and you can click Custom List. And see, I already have this one in. I'm going to delete it just to show you how to put it back in. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in my list. Now, you have to make sure that you've spelled it and capitalized it exactly as your list shows. That way it will sort out your list. So you're going to go small, medium, large, extra large, and then I'm going to click add. Okay, so now I have this sort option. So I'm going to go ahead and I can close this out, and I can go in here and I can click under my t-shirt size, and then I can go into sort, and I'm going to make sure that this column says t-shirt size here, and then values A to Z. Order, instead of A to Z, you're going to change to custom list, and you're going to select the one that you just created. You're going to hit OK, and it sorts it from small, medium, large to extra large. So the assignment that I put in for you guys, you do your primary sort by shirt size, and then you do a secondary sort. So you're going to click this sort button again, and you're going to hit this plus button, and it's going to give us a then by. So the then by means that this is going to sort a secondary sort for us. So we want to sort by this home room over here. So we're handing out our t-shirts in the right room. So we're going to click home room number, and it's going to say smallest to largest, and we're going to hit OK. So it keeps our t-shirt size the primary sort, and then it sorts these out for us. So I hope that helps you guys. This is just an easy way to do sorts, and we have a MacBook, so it's kind of a roundabout way, and I thought I would share that.